Slow Starters here, bringing you another video. If you guys recall my last video, I got these carbon fiber pieces here. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to go ahead and we're pretty much going to go ahead and ceramic coat these pieces. So here's a couple things I got. These are the new pieces I got. I didn't ceramic coat the ones that are already installed. Here's all the carbon pieces I have here. It's not real carbon fiber, it's like hydro dipped. But either way, you know, we want the longevity of these parts. I know they came from eBay, so I don't know how good the clear coat's gonna last on these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this nano bond ceramic coating on them. We're gonna go ahead and prep them. There shouldn't be any wax on them, but I mean there might be some grease from my fingers, but besides that, there shouldn't be much to it. Just give it a basic alcohol wipe and apply. So let's get started. Open this up. If you guys never done ceramic coating, that makes two of us. But so far what comes in this package, I got this off Amazon for $34. It's called Nano Bond Ceramic Coating. Comes with this. Don't worry guys, I already cleaned the surface, so this is a clean work area, even though it looks dirty still. Inside this here comes with a microfiber cloth, which I already have a few back here. A pair of gloves, which is nice, and a little polishing, another cleaning rag in other words. I'm gonna go ahead and just use their gloves. You know, they pretty much threw them in here for free. Let's see. I'll give you two black gloves. It's nice of them. And see if they're for little kids or not. And they're not bad. You know, they fit. You get the job done. Let's go ahead and get started. What we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and clean this with an alcohol wipe. Just a little alcohol wipe. Run it back and forth. Give it a nice clean. Alright. And just let it sit there. Let it dry off a little. Go ahead and flip this inside to the other side. Clean this one off. There, you want to make sure you guys leave it nice and clean from debris or anything like that. These are fairly new, so the clear coat's pretty much that spot on these. Hopefully the ceramic coating will do its job and hold it up pretty well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this, and the way we're gonna probably do this here would be holding it like this. Go ahead and do this half and then do the other half. Open your ceramic coating. Pour a line of this. Turn it off. And then just go to town. Alright guys, so pretty much I already finished these ceramic coating and I'm on this last piece here. Sorry, my camera died so I couldn't record everything. So typically what I do is I grab this into position, something like this, and I start from one angle and I'll go ahead and start applying. Make sure I get some wet. Yep, it's still wet, so there's still ceramic coating on this. And I'll go ahead and just lightly brush it back and forth in between these little lines and top here, and I can slowly start seeing it grab that shine. And then pretty much once I'm all satisfied with it, go ahead and just set it down and wait about 2 minutes, and after that it should be good, hopefully. This one's already ceramic coated. How much more of a shine it gives to it. It looks so much more high quality than it was before. Look at that. So I'm doing this all to the carbon fiber pieces, and hopefully it comes out good. And then I still got more parts coming. I'll be doing this to all my carbon fiber pieces just to make them last longer. Them coming from China on eBay, you know, the clear coat, they peel all the time because it's cheap product. So go ahead and buy you this. This is the Nano Bond ceramic coating. Wipe these down with alcohol wipes and then just go ahead and smear some of the stuff on there and just wipe it off, and it should be good. And at least should give it some more longevity. And then I also have these coming in. Let me show you guys real quick. I have this coming in, carbon fiber. These, the mirror caps, and then there's a mirror lip right here that comes out like this. I have those coming in as well. Then I have these here coming in as well, and then all that's going to be ceramic coated. And then once all that's ceramic coated, go ahead and install it. I would say these should be all fully cured within about 48 hours. So now that this is pretty much dry now, I can go ahead and wipe it down. Go ahead and grab your microfiber towel and just like start slowly. You don't want to use your gloves, so of course your gloves already has some of that ceramic coating on it. You just kind of want to start working your way through it like this, brushing it off. And as you're working your way through it, you're going to notice this glare that it had go away, and this thing's going to shine so bad. And check that out, guys. Look at that shine, dude. That's dope. I mean, you could ceramic coat almost about anything. Your car, your carbon fiber pieces like I am, tail lights, headlights, etc. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this. Pieces are all ceramic coated. Just let it cure 48 hours, you know, as in like don't polish them, don't wax them, just leave them by themselves. And then pretty much within 48 hours it should be good to go. This stuff does stink, so I don't recommend you do it indoors. Go ahead and do it outdoors, like how I am. I have the garage open, I'm semi in the garage. You can buy this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It was $34.40 for this little 30 milliliter bottle. So yeah guys, I do recommend getting this product. What's the cover? Right here. So I do recommend you guys getting this, the Nano Bond ceramic coating box. It's pretty good quality. I'm using that for all my interior pieces. I might use it later on for headlights and stuff like that. If you guys want to see me ceramic coat more things, comment below. So guys, just a quick comparison. This one here is ceramic coated. This one here is not. This one's just darker, fuller, richer. This one's more of a not so good looking piece, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat this one. You can just tell. This one just looks darker, fuller. This one looks like it's faded. They're both brand new, by the way. Bought at the same time, same package. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe. If you want to see me ceramic coat more things, comment below. Until next time, guys. Peace.